All right, today we're going to bring the VEVOR suction cups. This is great, 8 inches. This is great for a tile setup or glass setup. All right, we're going to open it up and see what you get. So let's open it up and see. So first of all, we're going to take a look at, you get the instructions, the suction cups, and gloves too for glass. All right, suction cups, very simple. One of the easiest ones that I've ever seen is just a pump and release method. All right, release from the back, simple, pump, release. All right, and we got 2 different tiles here that we're going to test this out. You get a pair of 2 and they could carry a lot of weight. All right, so just be aware that these 2 are very strong, very suckable. It has a lot of suction power, so you're going to carry large glasses or tiles. This is perfect, and I'm going to show you. This is a heavy tile, right? Heavy duty tile. All right, that we're going to set up. And this is a different tile, but this is more like it has like a little it's kind of like a 3D terrain. All right, you can actually feel it, but we want to see if our suction cup can do it. But I'm going to show you something. It's the one I own, and this one I could just grab things, but it falls off because there's no suction cup. All right, there's no area, and it doesn't grab all the time. It just it kind of lets go. This one, it can't even that much, but I'm afraid the little one. Look at that little one. It's little, so we'll put this on the side. This one or one of them, all you got to do is put it in there, any direction. And in case you have to lift it some more, here's some more area. So all you got to do is just pump it, put a little pressure on it, and when it stops the suction, you can see it expanding, if you guys can see it, and it gets harder and harder, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Now this one I can trust. Now this one I can trust. Look at this. I can trust by moving it left and right, and it won't fall. And I have a table here that I'm doing this on, and that's it. Now let go. You can hear the suction. All right. Simple. Now on this one right here, we'll try this one right here. This is like I said, it's a little 3D dimensional. It's like it has like some sort of granite, or in this one, the same thing. Look at that. Same thing. And of course, let go. So I just brought you 2 stable, so you can even put them together. Look at this. I'm going to suck this one down. And they even give you instructions how to do it too, and it's very simple. Look at that. More secure when you have 2 of them. You can just grab them and ready to go. If you want to set it up, tile, push the button, and that's it. So 2 great suction cups from VEVOR. Hope you guys enjoy the video.